Alright, so let's see how we can prove this identity. So to start with, we're going to be working with the left-hand side. So I'm going to find the LCM of the denominators on the left, of which that LCM is simply the product of the two denominators. So we have this multiplied by this. So if this denominator goes into the common denominator, we'll get 1 minus sine. 1 minus sine times 1 is 1 minus sine. If 1 minus sine goes into the common denominator, we get 1 plus sine, and times 1 is 1 plus sine. So we have something like this. So this implies that in the numerator, the sine and the sine can cancel out, leaving us with only 1 and 1. So if we add those two, we get a 2. In the denominator, I'm going to use the difference of two squares. Remember, a plus b and a minus b gives us a squared minus b squared. So the first part squared, second part squared. So the first part is 1. So 1 squared minus sine squared. That's what we're saying. So this is simply 2 divided by 1 minus sine squared theta. Now, 1 minus sine squared theta is simply 1 over cos. And here's the reason why. Remember, cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. So cos is equals to 1 minus sine square. So I can replace this with 2 over cos square according to that identity. Now, the same identity, let me just show you something quickly again. If I divide throughout by cos square, divide by cos square, divide by cos square, it will look something like this. Cos over cos is 1. Sine over cos is a tan square. 1 over cos is a sec square theta. If I take the square root on both sides, I'll say square root here, square root there. So the square root cancels the square. So this means that sec is equals to the square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Like that. So that's what's going to help us here. First of all, this is as good as saying 2 divided by 1 over cos. And we know that 1 over cos is a sec. So it's 2 multiplied by a sec square, like that. So this now can be written as 2 times sec times sec, because it's a square. Now, 2 sec multiplies another sec, but the second sec can be replaced by this square root. So I'll say multiplied by the square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Like that. So there we have it. That's the identity.